Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an intense update from the battlefield that is making headlines around the world. Ukrainian forces have just released footage of a dramatic drone strike that completely destroyed a Russian tank convoy in a fiery ambush. The video shows several tanks moving through an open area when the drone suddenly drops precision munitions right on target. Within seconds, multiple explosions light up the scene, sending thick black smoke into the sky. This was not just a single strike. Ukrainian drones kept targeting the convoy, hitting fuel trucks and supply vehicles, causing a chain reaction of massive explosions. The entire column was forced to halt as secondary blasts ripped through the area. Military analysts say this operation shows how Ukraine has perfected its use of drones to cripple Russian armored movements before they can even engage in combat. After the ambush, reports indicate surviving Russian troops abandoned some of their vehicles and retreated, leaving behind wreckage and equipment. This attack is being hailed as a major tactical win, proving that drone warfare is reshaping the conflict. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you updates on this developing story.